What do you do, y'all? Welcome to the Crypto Channel 329. Today's video, I'm going to give you a review about my BYbit Trading Bots. Okay, so currently I have 15 running bots. Okay, so let's open my bots and let's see which ones are doing well and which ones are not doing so well. Okay, so for instance, I want to close these future bots. Okay, so all these bots right here, I open just to try them out, just to try to see how the bots would perform. Okay, so the longest or the oldest bot is this one right here. The future bots is 8 days and 22 hours. So 100 USDT investment, so multi USDT, and only made 0.58 cents in 8 days in 22 hours. So if I click on details over here, we can see everything the bot has done so far. Okay, so 45 transactions, and the last 24 hours only made 1 transaction. So the reason why I want to shut down these bots, these future bots, is because they're not performing as I was expected. Okay, so grid profit 370. Okay, but total profit loss is 0.69. Okay, leverage is using 1.2 leverage at the moment, actual leverage, but my leverage is 3x. Okay, so grid total APR is only 31%, which is very low. So I am going to terminate this bot and all the other future bots because, you know, like I said to you, I'm just testing these future grid bots to see how it performs, and if they're not performing well, it's time to shut them down and open a new strategy, and that's what I will do. So the best one so far is this one right here, which is BTC USDT. Okay, it's 7 days old, and so far total profit and loss is 3.05. Okay, not bad for $200 investment. Okay, but yet again, it doesn't make many transactions per day. Okay, so in the 24 hours only made 5 transactions. Total APR is 79. Okay, and that's that. Okay, so that's why I'm going to terminate all these future bots and open a new future bot. Okay, BTC right now, it's a good opportunity to open a neutral grid bot, and I'll explain to you why in a minute. Let me just shut down these bots. Okay, so when you come over here, you hit terminate the bots. When you terminate your future grid bots, all the pending orders will be cancelled and your positions will be closed at the current market price. Okay, your assets will be credited automatically to the derivatives accounts. Okay, I want to confirm that. So it's terminating, and then the bot will then sell the AVAX, BNB, BTC, and then take the money to my account. Okay, so I'm gonna close this one as well. So 6 days old. So that's done. Let me just pause this video and continue once I complete everything. Okay, all the future bots are sold. Okay, they are gone, and you know, I only made a little bit of profit. Okay, so 50 cents, 355, 355, 5, 6, 7, let's say $8. I made $8 in 8 days, and my investment was so 50, 450, 650, 750. So it's $750, and I only made $7. Okay, but it is what it is. It was just experiment. Okay, and so now let's go over to the trading bots, and we're gonna set up a new trading bots. Okay, so I'm going to try a different approach on this bot. So if I try the neutral again, and if you use the AI strategy, it will be 16 to 50 to 13, 17, 654. So it will be between this price range and 17 and this price range. Okay, I was thinking more like 15, between this one 15,693 and 18.7. Okay, so let's go over to manual. Okay, and we're gonna go 15.8, and I don't think it's gonna go that high, so an 18. Okay, so 15.8 and 18. Okay, so now from here, so let's just use this one. Okay, it gives us the same thing, 58 and 18. Okay, so number of grids. So all the future bots, the previous future bots were arithmetic, so now they are going to be geometric. Okay, and I'm going to give a little bit more leverage, so 10x leverage, and I'm going to, actually 10x is a bit too much, I'm going to give 5x leverage, and I'm going to increase the number of grids. So the previous bots, they were working with around 30 grids or so. 30 grid, between 30 grids and 25 grids. So now I'm going to give more grids. So that means the bots will have more buying and selling orders. Okay, so therefore I shall see more more trades. Okay, so the minimum investment for this one is only 182. Okay, I am gonna give them 750, 5x leverage for grids, and it's gonna be a neutral bot. Price range is gonna be between 1500 and 15.8 and 18. Why? Because if you look here, okay, the price chart is right in a bit, is in between. Okay, so if you actually pull like 18.79, 8.709, 18, let me just configure this, coordinates 15, 8, and 18,000. Okay, so as you can see, it's 13%, right? So if you divided this by 2, okay, it's going to be nearly half. Okay, so 8% from the bottom, from the lower level to the where the current price chart is, so the market price, it's 8%, and then 7%, 8 plus 7, it's 15. So 6%, around 6% to the top. Okay, so it's roughly in between. Okay, it's not 100% accurate, so I have to increase a little bit. So I had to increase to 18.6, probably 18.5, 18.6 to be in between. So actually, I'm going to put 18.6, so I can be in between 18,600. Okay, actually 800. So number of grids, then again 40 grids, 1% per grid. So leverage, I'm going to use 5x leverage. Investment is going to be 750 bucks, and stop loss, because this is going to be a trial bot as well, so my stop loss is going to be 5%, and my take profit is going to be 50%. Okay, so I'm happy with all that. So neutral bot, 5x leverage, investment is going to be 750, price range is going to be 15.8 to 18.8, 40 grids, 50% take profits, and stop loss at 5%. I'm going to go ahead and give it a confirmation, and the bot has been deployed. Okay, so the bot has been deployed, as you can see right there. Okay, and that's that. Okay, so now I can write something here. I can give it a text right here. Say BTC future bots deployed. So what's the price? 17.253. That's that. So let me remove these. So now I know when the bot was deployed. So the bot will be traded between this lower level and roughly this higher level. Okay, so then again, I'm gonna leave this bot running for a few days and let's see how this bot will perform. So all the other spot grid bots, okay. So BTC, as you can see right here, is pumping, right? So if you flick to 15-minute charts, we can see a bullish momentum right there. Okay, looks really good. Okay, so hopefully we will see BTC going. Let's see. 18,000 is far away though. 18,000 is far away. We will need 8% pump. That's a bit too much. So we might see, I don't know. Let me flick it to 40 minutes. We might see BTC up to 17.5 and then have a pullback, or even 1800. Okay, but yeah, I would say 17.5 and then pull back. Okay, so as you can see right here, this one, I mean 28.62 profits. Okay, so ADA, I'm considering to shut this one down as soon as my total P&L is green. Okay, I'm going to shut this bot down because it's not performing that well. So XRP is doing well, so I'm going to keep this bot running. Okay, Sand, I'm really considering to close down Sand because, you know, it's not doing so great. Okay, Atom, I'm definitely going to shut this down as soon as it turns green. Okay, because it's not doing well. Matic is pumping for now. Okay, and Matic might come to the 94. So this resistance level right here, 94. So if he does that, so he needs a 2% pump. So if he does that 2-3% pump, okay, I might sell. I might close this bot down at 94 cents because again, he's not doing that well. So when I deploy the bots, the Matic price was around 110 or so, and then he crashed out. So when he crashed, the bot went a bit out of range, and therefore right now he's not performing that well as it's supposed to. Okay, so the bot was trading around 110 or so, and then he went all the way down. So I catch the bot around here, deploy the bot around there, 84. Okay, so the entry price was at 94 actually, 94, and the price range is between 84 and 129. Okay, so if the bot goes again to 94 cents, I will then close down this bot and redeploy another Matic bot with a new configuration. Okay, so that's my plan. So let me go back to my bots, and that's that. So Atom, Sand, Ada, those bot and Matic, I'm looking to close them down because they're not performing that well. Okay, so if is doing well, okay, 9.54% up. Okay, this one, as soon as it turns green, which you know is far away. Okay, even though I'll leave it as $6. Okay, still far away. But if not, it is what it is. Just only $6. Okay. APT, I will have to hold this one because I'm 126% bucks down. Okay, I don't lose their money, so I'm gonna let it run. This one right here, Ape, I'm considering to take this one down and reopen with a new price range. And AVAX, again, I'm 31 bucks down. Okay, I don't want to lose this profit because I'm in profit, so I might leave it run for a bit. If not, I'm going to close it down so that it turns green and redeploy a new bot with new configurations. Okay. And yes, guys, that's that. Okay. I just wanted to give you an update about my BYbit bots, how they're performing, and how everything is going. Okay, so I am going to give you an update about this new future grid bots in about 2-3 days, just to give you an update if just to give you an update about how the bot is performing. Okay, so hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember, BYbit still offering no trading fees. Okay, so the spots grid bots are still no trading fees. So all the links for the BYbit are in the description below. So if you want to join BYbit, if you want to do trades without grid bot trades, grid trades without spot trades, my bad, without paying the fees. Okay, it's a good opportunity to join BYbit right now, because until the end of this month, there will be 0% trading fees. Okay, so stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.